Every message you send in Lovable costs Lovable credits, and even with getting 5 free Lovable credits a day, I burned through mine super fast. I kept hitting my monthly Lovable credit limit, sometimes paying to upgrade, sometimes just waiting for my credits to refill, and eventually just found a better way to edit and save credits and money. Here's the problem: if the only way to edit your project is through Lovable's prompt box, you're spending these Lovable credits on every edit. But good news, there's a feature inside lovable.dev that fixes this. One setting in your project turns on the Lovable GitHub integration, connecting your Lovable project to GitHub. From there, you're just editing the exact same project with Claude Code for free, unlimited edits, zero Lovable credits getting spent. Now, full disclosure, I'm still a Lovable customer right now. I already pay for Claude Code, I already pay for hosting on SiteGround, and I do love how easy Lovable makes things. So I don't mind paying for convenience and ease of use. But once I saw how many Lovable credits editing was costing me every month, I started doing as much of my editing as possible outside of the Lovable platform. Before you connect anything, you need a GitHub account. If you don't already have one, go to github.com and sign up. It's free. Now, in your Lovable project settings, find the GitHub option and connect your account. This turns on the Lovable GitHub integration. Authorize the connection. Lovable just needs permission to talk to your GitHub account, and that's it. Here's where it gets good. Once connected, Lovable sets up a two-way sync. You change something in Lovable, it gets pushed to GitHub. You change something in GitHub, it syncs straight back into Lovable. And none of those GitHub side changes cost you your Lovable credits. Now, from the repo page, hit the green code button and download it as a zip. Extract it, and that folder is your entire code base. Or even better than that, even better than downloading it, just tell Claude Code to grab the repo directly, give it the GitHub URL, and tell it to clone it. Now, open the folder in Claude Code, or if you had it clone the repo directly, you're already there. First thing you want to do every single time is ask it to analyze the code base and explain the structure before you touch anything. That keeps it grounded instead of just guessing at what you built. Then have it start a local server. Your project opens right in your browser on your own machine. I'll make a small edit right now on my project and watch it update instantly and then push it back to GitHub. Okay, so this is my level project. You can see I'm in my level project. This is my website. I think the best thing I do is maybe just have it write test up here just to kind of show you how this works. So let me open up Claude, and this is Claude editing it. And let's just tell Claude, will you please put test at the very top of the website in large font? Let me move my camera real quick. So you can see right here where it's put test right here, and I'm editing this on my local machine. Again, I just put test and it's on the home page. So you can see that there I am. This is my website. Locally, I'm editing it. So now all I'm going to have to do is tell it to actually just push it to GitHub. Can you push this change to GitHub? Okay, so it looks like it pushed the change. So now let me go check and see if it actually is unlovable. So I'll click on this right here, go to my lovable site. I'm going to reload my lovable site. And you can see it added test on it. Now I don't want to keep that, but I'm just showing you I didn't use any lovable credits to do this. See how I have 86 credits, 5 left. Let me edit it one more time just to kind of show you. Okay, just to show you again, I've got 86.3 credits. I got 5 left. I'll open back up. I just did a different change where I'm showing test and I put like this animated graphic. And again, it's already asking me, do I want to push it? Yes, push it. It wants to know if I want to go ahead and push it to GitHub. So I'm going to push that to GitHub. All right, now it shows it's done. It took about 16 seconds. If I go back to GitHub, this was the old format. You see 86.3. again, let me just go back to my dashboard. Click in just to show you. Again, it's 86.3. I got 5 left. And now I've got exactly what I edited in Claude. So it really is that simple when you're using Claude, and you can use other AI to do this as well. But what I'm showing you is you don't have to spend any of your lovable credits to edit your project. And that's really the whole trick. Every change I make through Claude Code and push it to GitHub is real work on my app or my project or whatever that never touches my lovable message limit. If you're the type of person who's constantly hitting your lovable credit cap, this alone can cut what you spend on lovable credits every month and also help you finish projects faster and with so much less stress. Everything I just walked you through is also written out step by step on my website. If you want to check that out, that'll be in the description below. No email required, no paywall. And if you ever do want to take it further and move your project off Lovable entirely, I've got a separate video covering exactly how to host it yourself right here. That's this right here. If you want to go check that out, and I'll see you in the next one.